So I was in need of some new step runners and I decided to go ahead and grab these. These are the LifeGrip Anti-Slip Traction Treads with glow-in-the-dark strips, as you can see right here. These literally feel like sandpaper, like an emery board. I believe it's like an 80 grit is on here. It's supposed to be great in snow and rain, all that kind of stuff. I grabbed them in the 6" by 32". You can see it's got that glow in the dark strip. It's almost nighttime here, so I'm wanting to test that out. They do come all curled like this. There is a super sticky adhesive here on the back side of them, so you peel and put it on your step. I'm going to put a couple down tonight, see how they do, and then finish it up tomorrow. I'm definitely wanting to lay a few out so I can test them out tonight and see if they glow in the dark. This will be really important so we can see where we're going in the middle of the night. So let's lay a couple down. Glow in the dark strip at the edge of your steps so you can see where that starts. The initial time that I laid one of these down, it didn't really stay very well, even though I put some heavy things on it. So I decided, my husband had weights, I decided to add weights instead, and this has definitely helped a ton. So if you're having trouble with them, like really sticking to your steps, definitely try adding something really heavy. Like these planters aren't even enough. I'm gonna keep dropping the weights down so that these stay adhered to my step. Your 25-pound weights, this has definitely helped. We did this to this, and this has definitely stayed down now. I'm having no problem with them sticking now. Weights down each step and let them stay a full day, and then add the next one. So you may have to add something a little bit heavier if you are having trouble with them adhering.